In the story of human evolution, there is a mystery and empty page in our origins. Scientists call it the missing link. Between the ancient apes that once roamed the forests and the first humans who shaped tools, hunted, and dreamed, there lies a gap. Fossils tell us much, but not everything. Who were these beings that walked the earth before us creatures? Neither ape nor human, but something in between. This is not just a story of bones and stones. It's the story of how we became us. The search began in the 19th century. When Darwin proposed his theory of evolution, the world was stunned. If humans evolved from earlier life, there must be a bridge or missing stage. Explorers and scientists set out across Africa and Asia, hunting for fossils that could fill the void. In 1891, on the island of Java, a young Dutch anatomist named Eugene Dubois made a discovery that changed everything: the skull of Java man. Later known as Homo erectus, it had a human-like body but a smaller brain, proof that evolution was real, and that our ancestors once walked upright long before they became modern. Years later, in Africa, discoveries of Australopithecus afarensis, famously nicknamed Lucy, gave us another piece of the puzzle. She walked on two legs, used her hands, and lived more than 3 million years ago. But even with all this, the chain of evolution was still incomplete. Between ape and human, something was still missing. Over the decades, new fossils emerged: Homo habilis, Homo ergaster, Homo heidelbergensis, each one closer to us but not quite us. Then came DNA. Genetic studies revealed that we share 99% of our genes with chimpanzees. Yet something in that remaining 1% made all the difference. Around 50,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, modern humans, began to replace all other species. The Neanderthals vanished, the Denisovans disappeared, and only we remained. But what happened to those in-between species? Recent DNA research suggests that ghost lineages and known ancestors may still be hidden in our genes. That means we carry traces of beings we've never met, species that have never been found, whose fossils may be buried deep beneath layers of forgotten earth. Some scientists propose that climate change forced early humans to evolve rapidly, walking upright to cross vast savannas. Others believe there were multiple experiments of nature, parallel human-like species that rose and vanished before us. But there are even stranger theories. Some suggest that the leap from ape to human was too sudden to be natural, that something accelerated our evolution. Was it cosmic radiation, a genetic mutation, or intervention from an unknown source? These ideas remain controversial, yet they reflect our greatest curiosity. What if our evolution was not a straight line, but a spiral, rising, collapsing, and restarting again? The story of human evolution is far from complete. For every fossil found, another mystery appears. Maybe the missing link isn't a single creature, but an entire chapter erased by time, lost to floods, fire, or extinction. Or maybe, just maybe, the missing link isn't buried in the ground at all, but inside us. Every cell, every gene, carries echoes of our past, a story written in the language of life itself. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, the same forces that shaped the universe also shaped you. We are not just the product of evolution. We are the living memory of it. Subscribe now for more ancient history, evolution mysteries, and the untold story of mankind.